Heidelberg Showtime.
Hello, my name is Martin Seifert. I'm responsible for the sales for the area Middle East, Asia and Pacific. The main focus was to increase the productivity up to 20-25%. We have now an output of 10 instead of 8 bundles per minute. Now with our new PLC allows us to connect the machine more networkable into action with other machines, and even it gives us a wider range of possibilities even for the future. On our DCC, we implemented our new PLC control system. Especially on the login side, we created the possibility to separate different users into groups. If I have a low-trained operator, I just can hide some functionalities into the user interface. When I have the full-trained operator, I can give them the full control. We are here fully remote controlled. We have one remote service, which is in the case that something has happened already. Another remote service point is before something has happened, and at least we also can support the operator while the help desk is switched into the control. Also new on the hardware side is we have here our new servo motors with absolute impulse generators, which allowed us to restart the machine after emergency stop, and even the counter-pressure unit is redesigned, which gives a better force production on the material. Changing of the die is as easy in our machines as well, but what we are changing with our new PLC is actually we are just guidance the operator right now, that he just see that functions what is needed for changing the whole frame.
Ergo Jog.
My name is Carsten Schaller. I'm Sales Director at Polar for the markets in Germany, the UK and North America. So this is our newest development. We call that Ergo Jog. Ergo Jog is consisting of two main components. On one side, the loading device, we call it a Transamat loader. And the other device, it's called a jogger, which is necessary for the preparation of the printed sheets. The biggest benefit of the Ergo Jog is the automation of the preparation process. Today, an operator with all the manual preparation, with all the manual work, with lifting, jogging, fanning and so on, it's a very stressful job. And with the Ergo Jog, we can take all these heavy parts away from the operator. We can automate the complete process, from the loading with the Transamat, with the transportation via the Gripper system, up to the point when we have the material on the jogger, where we do all this fanning and the preparation of the ream for the cutter later on. The operator is free. While the machine is working for him, he can continue with the cutting process. This is the knowledge or the know-how that we have developed here with this aligning and fanning station. So we have these two blowing devices here. And with these blowing devices, we blow air through the different layer of sheets within the ream. So with these blowing devices here, plus some side gauges, we can build like an air curtain around the ream, and we can control very easily the airstream, which goes then through the different layers of sheets. So one of the biggest benefits of the automation, it's the possibility of handling heavy loads. So when we see here our full ream, with the automation we can transport them very easy within the system. So we need only 60 to 90 seconds for the preparation of one ream. This is the fastest system on the market, so nobody else can do that in this speed, because very often they have to take layers of ream. We start with the field test in July. We have a field test customer. And our plan will be that we have the finished version available by end of the year.